We have some breaking news regarding the Shiba Inu coin that'll happen this Friday. This catalyst will make you rich, so make sure to stick around until the end of the video to learn the most important information you have heard about the Shiba Inu coin so far. There is a lot of information going on around the Shiba Inu coin lately, and it seems like everyone is talking about it. People are interested in what is expected to happen with the Shiba Inu coin. As the Shiba Army community keeps getting bigger and bigger, we're finally seeing the coin reversing from the drawback and rising once more. Then we have Shiba Swap, which we will touch for a minute in this video, where we will briefly explain all the rewards you can get on this decentralized exchange. Now, a very important topic I want to talk about is the fact that many people in the finance game are still kind of bashing cryptos for doing what they do. There are a lot of claims from people who have fallen victim to scam coins or people who have had their identity stolen, but we cannot blame that on the crypto market. Think back for a second. Even when the stock market was first created, you had a lot of schemes arising and drawing people out of their money. Guys, this isn't something that was just invented with the invention of the crypto market. No, because even when companies like Facebook or Instagram were created, a lot of people started making up fake profiles and using them to scam other people. That's just how it goes. Whenever a new technology starts to rise, there are always those people who are going to try to make a profit out of it in the most selfish and horrible way possible, even if that means scamming other people. Now, the reason that I mentioned this topic is that Jackson Palmer, the co-creator of cryptocurrency Dogecoin, has launched a scathing attack on his own creation, labeling cryptos as exploitative scam that benefits the wealthy. Jackson Palmer, a developer who helped to create Dogecoin in 2013, took to Twitter to label cryptocurrencies as an inherently right-wing, hyper-capitalistic technology built primarily to amplify the wealth of its proponents through a combination of tax avoidance, diminished regulatory oversight, and artificially enforced scarcity. He continued to say, quote-unquote, "The cryptocurrency industry leverages a network of shady business connections, bot influencers, and pay-for-play media outlets to perpetrate a cult-like get-rich-quick funnel design to extract new money from the financially desperate and naive." Okay, so I would just like to catch my breath here for a second because I don't know what is up with Dogecoin, but I'm super positive about Shiba Inu coin being legit. I mean, we have netted $3 billion so far, and we just launched our own decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, that probably with time will get super cooler and way more of a professional platform. Just because my guy here retired on Dogecoin and didn't want to pursue what he co-created himself any further, that doesn't mean that this is all a big scam. I mean, we have all seen the potential that stands not just behind the Shiba Inu coin, but behind cryptocurrencies as a whole market. Take the Shiba Inu coin for example. We stand as a community, created by the community and for the community. Do I really have to start mentioning all the good that the Shiba Inu coin has brought into the world? Okay, let's start with all the charities in India to help the country go through the COVID-19 phase. Okay, so another thing that you should understand is that the crypto market is super new right now. To make this clear, let's just say that the crypto market is right at the point where the internet was back in the 90s. People didn't think that the internet would have survived, and everyone was calling the internet a bubble. And look at where we are today. Where do those same people go to Google information? Oh, that's right. I just said Google, which means that it's basically a verb now. Anyway, because I would like to focus more on positive stuff than this, and I know you guys are probably very curious to know what is expected to happen to Shiba Inu this Friday. Something big is coming, guys, so just bear with me until the end of this video because you will not be disappointed. In fact, it is the complete opposite. Okay, so we have the Shiba Inu coin party that happened on the 20th of July. That event has already sent the coin up, as we can see that the price has moved positively. The meme crypto is once again garnering the attention of cryptocurrency investors and has apparently become the favorite choice of this community. The reason for this is that the cryptocurrency community believes that the coin will see a fresh high soon and expect it to be a substantial and not shallow surge. Above 0.62 Satoshi units, the Shiba Inu price has a strong bullish potential. SHIB is currently holding right at the immediate support level of 0.73 Shiba units, indicating that there is a chance that purchasing demand will pick up and SHIB may push higher. If sentiment continues to deteriorate, the token may break through the support level, causing a rapid drop to 0.64 Satoshi units, the next level of support. Following that, it may continue to fall until it retests the range low around 0.518 Satoshi units, where buyers may spark a rally. A move higher would require buyers to break through the pivot point and advance to 0.89 Satoshi units immediate resistance level. The price of Shiba Inu has a lot to prove. Nonetheless, the defined price structure or pattern, along with a drop in supply on exchanges and the introduction of a fundamental catalyst that proves real-world use, offers the foundation for relative strength. While SHIB supporters remain optimistic, given the current price of SHIB, what happens next will be very fascinating. Because Shiba Swap is here, which depicts a meme token steadily turning into a successful, real-world usage project. Now, let's finally touch on Shiba Swap, and then I will let you guys know about the big catalyst that is expected to happen this Friday. Shiba Inu Coin now has its own liquidity pool soon. Shiba Swap is actually using their own created tokens named Bone as the primary pair token and Leash as the secondary one. The reason they're using Bone instead of Shiba is that Bone has now a fair and zero start in which people do not have to be concerned about arching the whalebacks. We all know how whales are manipulating the market nowadays. Some guy comes along and drops a huge load of cash on crypto or token, driving the price up, and then they sell and make an insane profit out of it. But if you're a Shiba or Leash holder, your holding will be used to yield Bone directly on Shiba Swap. Now is currently leading to massive adoption of the Shiba Inu coin, and that'll make it hit a new all-time high. That is kind of the same way that Shiba is being staked to earn more tokens, and this activity is reducing the circulating supply and increasing the demand in the market, causing the price to inflate due to the law of demand and supply. Now, you can use the Shiba Inu coin to dig for bones on Shiba Swap or even bury your tokens. Trainers can teach their Shibas to swap tokens as well, and all of these actions create returns that are put into the puppy pools, where the Shiba army has the option of burying or digging for bones. All of this creates an ecosystem that gives the chance to the small investors to start earning some initial passive income that they can later use to buy more Shiba Inu tokens and stake them again on Shiba Swap so they can earn more and the cycle repeats. Okay, now for the grand final news that you have been expecting during this whole video. Get ready! This Friday, Shiba Inu Coin will see another online event held by multiple Shiba Inu investors and influencers. Now, this upcoming event could be game-changing for Shiba Inu. Satoshi Kusama recently announced that they already held a virtual party on July 20th. In this other event, however, investors will discuss more on Shiba Swap and push people to check it out, as the opportunities in it are mind-blowing. With that being said, if you want to learn how you can make $300 a day just by holding Shiba Inu coins, then watch this next video.